Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is the tour of our room at Impression Moxché.
Well, hello there. This is our room.
This is the signature suite ocean view room.
Here we have a spacious suite, nice TV with all kinds of gobbledygook on it. Nice vase. This is a very interesting design. I mean, dead trees, but okay. A fan that actually works because our previous room, the fan had a short in it where it would run, but then it would slow down and stop, as if it was being chased by the police or something like that. So who knows? Who knows? But at least this one looks less janky. Okay.
Upon check-in, we were upgraded to an ocean front room. However, after encountering several maintenance issues and noticing key differences in the room features, such as a lack of a second vanity sink and the presence of a connecting door to the adjacent master suite, we decided to request a room change to ensure a more comfortable stay.
All right.
And they can swap out the pods for anything that you want.
Yep, anything you want that you like, you can basically get it from the wait staff, and you can drink espresso to your heart's content. Espresso maker, these different sparkling waters and Pellegrinos, little snacks right here. Apparently these are supposed to be addictive, and this is what the butlers told us. We haven't tried these yet, but we definitely will be taking them. Here we go with the mini fridge area, the bottom part. You got a little wine chiller right here. A Dom Perry, whatever it's called. Okay, all right. I ain't drinking that, but okay. Now the mini fridge is stocked with a whole bunch of this stuff. You got Coke, Diet Coke. Felix is some kind of like mineral water that they use, but this one in particular that's flavored is, I guess, their version like soda, but not soda. Regular mineral water. Then you also got beer. You got Amstel Light, and apparently they have a whole bunch of different types of beer. You just have to ask. But the funny thing is, when I did ask, I asked for Stella Artois. They don't have.
But they have Corona. They have Dos Equis.
On to the bed. This is what y'all been waiting for, right?
The bed flop.
The bed flop.
Check to see how it is. Oh gosh.
Pardon my being heavy because I just ate. I was big backing it with Christina's brother and his wife. This bed took it like a champ. I think I need to go to the hospital now.
Oh god.
Oh, over here are the controls to the shades and to the lights in the room. You can also control the lights and the shades and the blinds from this tablet, from what we were told. The seating area, pretty nice, pretty spacious, nice little couch, little love seat right here. Nice little tables. Oh, this is the balcony. I am not opening this balcony because we had a lot of nonsense with our last room, because the room would not get cool, and apparently there's a gnat in here too.
Got it.
I think she got it. All right. Anyway, the way these rooms work are the AC unit, like in most hotels, as soon as you open up the door to go to the balcony, in case your room has it, the AC unit shuts off. We had issues with our first room, which wasn't even the room that we were supposed to have anyway. They tried to play us like we were some suckers. So, as you guys can see, the view from our new room is even better than what we had before in our old room.
And a view of the ocean. And there's also a bathtub out there. We're not going to open the door because I don't want the AC to turn off. But
nope, we're not turning off that AC. It's hot. It is hot out here. It is hot. It is hot. It is hot. It is death. It is hot death out here.
I can only imagine what it feels like during the summer months.
Oh man.
I wouldn't want it.
On to the bathroom.
There's also a nice seating bench that all my stuff is like currently on. And the beach bag is complimentary. You can actually take that home with you. So.
Yeah, we taking that. We taking that. That's us. Nice dual vanity sinks. In our last room, we did not have dual vanity sinks. They tried to play us with one sink, and that's not what we paid for. We had to wait until the room was available, and this is the third day we are here. You hear this nonsense? The room that they gave us was 2/3 of the size of this room, and it's supposed to be an upgrade.
Yep.
Nonsense. Stand on business. If they not give you your room that you want, I don't know what to tell you, but we had to wait. Anyway, nice dual vanity sinks. Hopefully they work better than the ones that we had that were filling up with water. Nope, still the same nonsense. All right. So basically, with these sinks, it seems like it's some type of design flaw where either it's not deep enough or the pressure is too high that causes this to back up. But it just is what it is at this point. Moving on to the free stuff. Oh, this is Le Labo and Bergamot 22 at that. This stuff is expensive. They give you lotion. They give you body wash, they give you shampoo and conditioner. We also got mosquito repellent. We got sunscreen. What's crazy is I don't even remember them giving us toothpaste in our last room, but they're giving us Luminous Bright Colgate.
Yeah, that wasn't in the
That's crazy.
Yeah.
We also got Bergamot 22 Le Labo's hand soap. This stuff smells good, y'all.
It does. It's amazing. They even give you incense. There's a scale down here and also some kind of a basket with a hair dryer. So you can leave that at home, ladies.
Here is the mirror that you have, the full length body mirror, so you can see yourself when you want to go out and look all sexy and cute. You can open it to the wardrobe. You got the 2 robes, you got the hangers.
Extra pillows.
I see the extra pillows, that's a blanket.
A luggage cart tray thing.
You have the slippers for men and women slippers. You have the steamer, because they don't give you no iron.
There's a steamer here.
And you got an umbrella and a laundry bag. 3 pieces of laundry per person per stay. Some people say that's a swindle.
Yeah. It used to be unlimited, it's no longer unlimited laundry.
Here's the other side of the wardrobe. You have more space for hanging and securing stuff and shirts, towels, underwear, what have you. And here is also the safe that we use. Also, I don't really like this type of safe because it's more like a drawer instead of it being, I guess, adhered to a wall where it's like parallel to it. So that way you open up the safe this way. So you push your stuff back so you have more space. This safe, you have way less. This safe, you have way less space. So if you have a whole bunch of electronic gadgets like I do, and everything else I like to put in these safes, you can't do it. Moving on to my second favorite place in the room, the throne. The throne that we had was basically the same way. Only difference is where it's at, and I guess the shape and be in a different section, but I'm glad this one is clean.
Yeah.
Here is whatever kind of tub this is that's big enough for at least maybe 3 people.
Yeah, this is a really huge tub. Honestly, I don't think the camera is doing it justice in terms of its size.
Yeah, and at least this tub looks awfully clean because the one that we had did not.
Yeah.
It had stains and all kinds of other stuff, so also be mindful when you come to these places, they don't always clean properly. And that's a negative for the price point.
Yep.
On to my third favorite place. Here is the shower. It looks like somebody just used it. Or really they were cleaning it and it was just dripping water just now.
Nice rainfall shower.
The rainfall shower, and it also has the attachment piece that you can use to wash multiple body parts at once. Or whatever you're trying to do up in here.
And then again, they provide the Le Labo shampoo and conditioner.
Shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And you got a bench.
And a bar soap. And there's a bench in here too. Definitely nice.
Yep.
And clean. This room is a lot cleaner than the last one.
That concludes the room tour. We will have another video out for you with more information about this property. Thank you. Like and subscribe.